This is from Autel. Good products. It's the key tool. Now this is totally new to me. From what I understand, it's so we can start using universal remotes. We thought we'd give it a try. We got it from American Key Supply again. Talked to Michael Kenessey. He's fantastic to deal with. I know this is where we have to go. Again, I don't know too much about this. I have to read up on everything. So, in theory, we can take these universal remotes, we can program them in to a whole pile of cars. Our inventory is unbelievable on remotes. If this can just cut down on all our inventory, this would work well. So again, it's new to me, these universal remotes. We know the product is good. We know American Key Supply is behind it. They love it. They say their clients are loving it. So we're going to have to do more on this. This again, this is new to me. We've been reading about it. I've heard good things. Let's see how it works in the real life when we start programming it. So let's see how it goes. So impressive right off the bat. Let's see how it works. We will start. I got to read up on the instructions and I'll start playing with it. So if we could cut our inventory by 50% and just stock these things, geez, I'd be a happy man. And it would eliminate dead stock. You know, you're sitting with remotes for months sometimes or years before you use them. If you don't have it, you can't make money. So we tend to have a huge stock of remotes and proximities. Let's see how this is going to work. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.